Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use AI on CapCut PC. So as you can see, there is an AI video maker where you can kind of click on it and create AI videos. If you don't want to include yourself in the video, you can let AI help you brainstorm the ideas first to create a compelling script in the video, like for the video. It says here you can match media to script in one click. It says upload your video and script and they'll be automatically matched to create a video. There is also instant AI video into your script and select a style to generate a video with sending images, and there's also avatar video to bring your script to life, so it looks like it's talking but it's not your face, So you're just going to select try it here, or you can select new project here. It's like more of like an all-in-one thing. Okay, so this one, you're going to create your script, or you can even create one with AI. Then it's going to make it into a speech. Then you're going to add scenes, elements, and music. I'm not going to go too far into this because it's going to take me forever. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can create videos with AI on CapCut without using your face at all. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.